Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Watermelon Man on piano. We will begin by understanding the foundational groove. This iconic piece is a 16-bar blues, primarily in the key of F. It's known for its infectious, bluesy piano riff and a steady, rolling rhythm. Your left hand will lay down a consistent rhythmic pattern, while your right hand adds the complementary melodic and harmonic elements. Getting this core groove right is key to mastering the song. Now, let's focus on the left hand, which provides the rhythmic foundation. Start by finding the lowest F on your piano and use your fifth finger. The pattern is F, then C with your third finger, E flat with your second, and finally F with your first finger, creating an octave. You'll repeat this four-note pattern 8 times for the introduction and the first 4 measures of the main section. Remember to keep it light, with a slight accent on the C. For the right hand, you'll combine the blues chords with the memorable melody. Begin with an F7 chord, playing F, A, C, and E flat from bottom to top, using fingers 1, 2, 3, and 5. After that, play 2 Fs with your thumb, then A flat and C with your second and fourth fingers, followed by B flat and D with your third fingers. The trick is to practice syncing both hands slowly, paying close attention to the moments where they align perfectly. Watermelon Man is structured as a 16-bar blues, which is typically repeated throughout the piece. To truly grasp its essence, listen to several different recordings to internalize the feel and rhythmic nuances. When practicing, always start by mastering each hand independently before slowly combining them. Once comfortable, try experimenting with simple improvisations over the established left-hand groove, adding your own creative flair to this timeless jazz standard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.